Welcome back, fellow traders. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Forex trading and uncovering the benefits of demo trading. Demo trading, also known as paper trading, is the practice of simulating real-time trading in a risk-free environment using virtual money. Here are 10 benefits of demo trading. 1. Risk-free practice. Since you're using virtual money, there's no financial risk involved. This allows you to experiment with different trading strategies and techniques without fear of losing actual capital. 2. Familiarization with the platform. It helps you become comfortable with the trading platform you're using. You can learn how to execute orders, set stop-loss levels, and use various features. 3. Testing strategies and systems. Demo trading allows you to test different trading strategies under real market conditions. This helps you identify which approaches work best for you. 4. Understanding market dynamics. It provides a practical way to understand how the Forex market operates. You can observe how currency pairs move, react to news, and respond to various economic events. 5. Building confidence. Trading can be psychologically challenging. Demo trading helps build confidence in your trading abilities and allows you to gain experience without the pressure of real money on the line. 6. Evaluating risk tolerance. It allows you to assess your risk tolerance and see how it translates into actual trading decisions. This is important for setting appropriate position sizes and managing risk when you transition to real trading. 7. Refining money management skills. You can practice setting stop-loss levels, managing positions, and applying proper risk management techniques. This is crucial for long-term success in trading. 8. Analyzing performance and learning from mistakes. Keeping a trading journal during demo trading helps you track your trades, analyze your decisions, and learn from any mistakes or successes. 9. Testing new trading tools or indicators. If you're considering using new tools or indicators, demo trading is a great way to see how they perform in live market conditions before implementing them in real trading. 10. Transitioning to live trading. Once you've gained confidence and a solid understanding of trading, you can transition to live trading with real money. By then, you'll have a clear strategy and be better prepared for the potential risks. It's important to note that while demo trading is an excellent learning tool, it doesn't replicate the emotional aspects of real trading. When you transition to live trading, start with small positions and continue to practice sound risk management. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and share. See you next time.